Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily transform your static video into a dynamic and cinematic video on CapCut mobile. So first, just add your video, and the first thing that you need to do is make a slow-mo video by clicking on the video and go to speed. Click on normal, and here I'm going to go with 0.6 seconds. Now here click on smooth slow-mo and choose a better quality. Just wait until the smooth slow motion apply to the clip. Okay, now after the smooth slow-mo is applied, what you need to do next is just add keyframes at the start of your videos, then zoom it in like this, and then move the clip to the left like this, then go to the end of the video. Now move the clip to the right. Okay, so it will make there is some movement in the video like this, and after this you can just click on overlay, add overlay, and go to the CapCut library. Here find the background options and add the black background here. Click on add. Now fit the size, and to make it fit the length, you can just click on the overlay and then go to speed and slow it down so it will have a longer video like this, longer duration. And after this you can just go to mask. On the black overlay, go to mask, select the horizontal, adjust the size. I'm going to go with this. Click on the check icon and now duplicate it, put it in the bottom like this. Click on the second overlay and drag it to the bottom like this, so it will have a black bar like in cinema like this. So after this you can just go to filter and add a filter to your videos. You can add any filter actually, but I'm going to find one on the movies category, and here I'm going to add the, let's try these. Okay, I'm going to just use this filter. Click on a check icon. Now still on the filter, go to adjust again, click on adjust and increase the saturation, the sharpness of the video to around 20, and you are done. So this will be the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.